Garbage. Trash. Rubbish. Extra rubbish. Tell me why. Why are you still using this garbage? It's a waste of money. Look what I have here in my hand. This is the OneFish charging cable, extra stretchy, 4-in-1. Look at this, look at this. No matter what you do to it, it's not going to fray, it's not going to break because the cable is made of liquid silicone and the connectors made of zinc alloy. This is going to last you a lifetime and handle all your charging needs. OneFish 4-in-1 100-watt fast charging data cable, just one cable. It can charge all your devices. Old phones can charge at 20 watts, new iPhones can charge at 30 watts, and your charger supports them up to 100 watts. If you like this product, follow our store and you'll get a 10% discount. So go ahead and get your OneFish cable by clicking that yellow cart in the lower left.